Why nobody tells you the best way you can use this device? I can guarantee you don't know how to use this. High frequency wand. You can use it for acne, treating pimple, healing the skin, tightening the skin, but there is a use that it can maximize the potential effect of this high frequency wand on your skin and on your hair that I bet you don't know. Why don't we use it to the highest potential? Come and I show you how to use this wand to get the maximum benefit out of it. Let's start by the comb. It stimulates the hair growth, so let's see how to use it for the best results. Put the comb inside the device. Make sure when you're putting this comb inside the device is at 0. Then connect it to the electricity and open. This is how it looks like. At first, what you're doing is that you need to touch it with your finger so it will create a loop with your body. Then when you want to use it, you remove your finger and you start using it. So basically and typically everybody, what it does is that they just go ahead and they start combing the hair, the scalp to stimulate the hair growth. Okay, this method, it's okay, it will work, but I'm going to show you a way which is much better and very powerful, so you are going to get much faster results. Instead of doing this on a dry hair, do it when you want to go to the shower. Apply the best castor oil on your hair and then use this device on the castor oil. What it happens is that this device will stimulate the scalp, so the castor oil will penetrate inside your scalp deeper and faster, so you get much faster and more powerful results. Use a dropper to get some amount of the castor oil. Apply to your scalp, few drops, massage it, and then go for the device. Do this process for every part of your hair, and that's the best way to do it. To use any of this on your skin, the best way is that do not use it on your dry skin. To get the best result is that apply your favorite mask, which I recommend to be natural oils and natural mask, whatever it is, and then you can apply a thin layer of tissue paper on the mask and then use this one for the best result on the cleanest skin. Let's try it and see how it works. One of the best masks you can use to tighten your skin with this wand is a simple egg white. Apply it all over your face. Place tissues over the egg white. And again, brush the egg white all over the tissues. Turn on the wand and start using it over the mask. Do not use the wand more than 10 seconds in one area. Then remove the tissues and continue to use the device for a few more seconds. Then wash your face. Use the spoon electrode for under the eyes and small lines. Use the sparker electrode for the pimples. Make sure you get the original device, which I've linked below here.